This 2021 Thor Motor Coach Chateau 24F is a Class C RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Slideout, LP Detector, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, stovetop burner, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, TV, skylight, leveling jacks, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, full wall slide. This 2021 Thor Motor Coach Chateau 24F is built on a Ford E350 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.